Good morning, children. Welcome back to ICAN Physics Academy. In this class, we are going to solve 8.9 from 8th lesson Cbse board. Okay, let's enjoy the class. Okay, so in 8.9 என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கோம் அப்படின்னா புதுசா ஒரு டெக்னிக் ஃபாலோ பண்றோம். என்ன அப்படின்னா கொஸ்டினை தூக்கி என்ன பண்ணியாச்சு வச்சாச்சு. ஓகே, இந்த கொஸ்டின்ல என்ன பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா எலக்ட்ரோமேக்னெட்டிக் ஸ்பெக்ட்ரம்ல there are different parts. அந்த டிஃப்ரெண்ட் பார்ட்ஸோட எனர்ஜி இன் ஜூல், எனர்ஜி இன் எலக்ட்ரான் வோல்ட்டை கால்குலேட் பண்ணுங்க. இதுதான் கொஸ்டின். ஓகே, அப்ப எப்படியா சால்வ் பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஃபார் காமா ரேஸ். So the frequency of gamma is 3 into 10 to the power 20. 10 to the power 20 hertz. Okay. So we know that E equal to h mu. So what is h? 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 into mu. That is 3 into 10 to the power 20. So when we multiply, then it becomes 19.8 into 10 to the power 20 minus 34. So minus 14. This much of energy in joule. Now convert the joule into electron volt. So it is divided by 19.8 into 10 to the power minus 14 divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So when we are dividing that, finally we can get 1.24 into 10 to the power 6 into 10 to the power 6. So this is the energy. Now it's in electron volt. Okay, do you get it now? Do you need doubts? No doubts. Okay, so this is for gamma rays. So the next one is X-rays. So the frequency of X-rays is 3 into 10 to the power 18 hertz. Okay. So E equal to h mu. So what is h? 6.626. 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 into 3 into 10 to the power 18. Okay. So 19.8 into 10 to the power 16 minus 16. This much of joule. Okay. So from that, we can convert it into electron volt. So energy equal to 19.8 into 10 to the power minus 16 divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So we can get 1.24 into 10 to the power 4, this much of electron volt. Just compare these two. Here we are having 10 to the power 20, so your answer is minus 14. Here we are having 18. So what is the difference between the two? So only 2. So that your answer is also 10 to the power minus 16. Here 10 to the power 6. Here it becomes 10 to the power 4. So nearly same. So for next case only there is a change. So what about the third one? Is UV rays. The frequency of UV ray is 10 to the power 15 hertz. Okay. So E equal to h mu. So what is the value of h? 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 into frequency is 10 to the power 15. So 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. Okay. Now convert the energy into electron volt. So E equal to 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 19 divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So minus 19 getting cancelled. So your answer is 4.125. So many electron volt. So it's energy in electron volt. So the next one is a visible rays. Okay. So fourth one is a visible rays. So the frequency of visible rays is 6 into 10 to the power 14 hertz. So 6 into 10 to the power 14 hertz. Okay. So E equal to h mu. So what is h? 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 into frequency. So what is the value of frequency? 6 into 10 to the power 14. Okay. So when you are multiplying, then we can get 39.6 into 10 to the power minus 20. This much of joule. Okay. Now we can convert it into electron volt. So 39.6 into 10 to the power minus 20 divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So finally you can get 2.475 into this much of electron volt. Okay, do you get it now? Do you have any doubts? No doubts. So next one is IR rays. IR rays. So the frequency of IR rays is 10 to the power 13 hertz. So E equal to H mu. So what is the value of H? 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 into frequency 10 to the power plus 13. So 1 into something. So 6.626 into 10 to the power 4 minus 3, 1. 3 minus 1, 2. So minus 21. So this much of joule. So E equal to 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 21 divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So that we can get 4.125. 4.125 into 10 to the power minus 2. This much of electron volt. Okay. This is for IR rays. Okay. So from that we can go for microwaves. Microwaves. So the frequency of microwaves is 10 to the power 10 hertz. 10 to the power 10 hertz. So E equal to H mu. E equal to H mu. So 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 into mu is 10 to the power 10. So minus 34 plus 10. So 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 24. This much of joule. Now convert it into electron volt. So E equal to 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 24 divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So when we are dividing, we can get 4.125. 4.125 into 10 to the power minus 5. This much of energy in electron volt. Okay. So the final one is radio waves. Radio waves. So the frequency of radio waves is 3 into 10 to the power 8. So many hertz. So E equal to H mu. So what is H? 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 into mu. So 3 into 10 to the power 8. So we can get 19.8. 19.8 into 10 to the power minus 26. This much of joule. Now convert the joule into electron volt. So E equal to 19.8 into 10 to the power minus 26 divided by 1.6. 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So finally we can get 1.24 into 10 to the power minus 6. This much of electron volt. Okay. So நீங்க ஜெனரலா பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா என்ன இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா E equal to H mu, that is divided by. Mostly the answers அப்படிங்கிறது என்ன ஆகும்? இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ப்ராப்ளத்தோட ஆன்சர் தான் 19.8 1.24. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஏல என்னையா பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா அதே தான் திருப்பி வரும். ஸோ சின்ன டெக்னிக் யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு then you must memorize the frequency. Okay, then you can solve the problem. Okay. Now do you have any doubts? No doubts.